आगे हो जाओ
Professional touring by Ali from Karakoram Guides.
फिर साथ थोड़ी बात भी किया करो ना वीडियो बनाते थोड़ी बात किया करो
आप कर रहे हो आ रही है
नहीं ये स्पेशल है हम इधर पशु वैली में आए हैं बहुत प्यारी जगह
Uncle insists there should be commentary next to a video. So here is the commentary. Look at this glorious tea pouring by this
जबरदस्त जगह है इसको हर बंदे
great
को आना
character,
चाहिए
Ali from Karakoram Guide.
हर बंदे को
Pouring,
आना चाहिए
creating the bubbles in the mix in this beautiful scenery. Look at it. Absolutely blooming. Absolutely blooming. Superb. Majestic. Absolutely majestic. What do you say, Uncle?
Yeah.
What's your commentary?
Country, this is very nice place really. Everyone has to come and see this place.
Yes.
जबरदस्त जगह है
Relaxing on the top of the mountain.
Buddy, what do you think about this place?
रिलैक्स करने के लिए जगह भी है
You like it?
आगे
What do you like?
है।
You want to go back? No.
Do you like the cows? Or you like the lamb, don't you?
Why you want to go back? Why? You want to go
Marwa?
back? Stay here.
I want to live here.
You want to live here? I think we should all buy a piece of land here and build something. Rowena, you coming back here?
I like here.
Yeah? Melly? Melly? No, no comment. Beautiful. Oh, look, the lamb's back, but his favourite friend.
Oh, that is how she.
और ये बकरे फिर इनको ज़बह करना चाहते हैं तभी आप
हाँ।
रश